Today I'm going to show you how to install the Evernote program step by step so you can get it set up quickly and start organizing your notes, tasks, and ideas without any confusion. Whether you're using a Windows computer for the first time or you just want a simple walkthrough, this guide will make the process easy to follow from start to finish. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Evernote download page. It's always best to download software from the official website so you know you're getting the latest version and avoiding unsafe files from unofficial sources. Once the page loads, Evernote should automatically detect your operating system for you. That means it will recognize whether you're on Windows and show the correct download option. Now look for the download button and click it. The download should begin right away, and depending on your browser, you may see the file appear in the bottom corner or in your downloads list. This file is usually an .exe installer file on Windows. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files and find the Evernote installer. Next, double-click the exe file to start the installation process. When you do this, Windows may display a security prompt asking whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is normal for most program installations. If you see that prompt, click Yes or Run to continue. After that, the Evernote setup window will open. From here, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may see a few prompts asking you to accept terms, choose installation options, or confirm where you want the program installed. In most cases, you can simply keep the default settings and continue by clicking Next or Install. If you're unsure about advanced options, it's usually safest to leave them as they are unless you have a specific reason to change them. Wait a moment while the installer copies the files and finishes setting up Evernote on your computer. This usually only takes a short time, depending on your system and internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you should see a finish screen or a launch option. Make sure to complete the setup and then click Finish. Now, open Evernote from your desktop shortcut or from the Start menu. The app should launch, and you may be asked to sign in or create an account if you don't already have one. If you already use Evernote, just enter your login details and you'll be ready to sync your notes. If you're new to Evernote, follow the account setup prompts and start exploring the app. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Evernote program on your computer. From here, you can begin creating notes, organizing projects, saving important information, and keeping everything in one place. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials, app guides, and step-by-step installation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.